Hello everyone, my name is Anjali and this is my another video and just I am here only today. I just want to share one thoughts came in my mind. So I think why just talk alone myself, it's not good. That's why I just open my camera and I want to talk here to in front of camera only, so it's good for me now. So what's the thoughts came in my mind just recently is it okay to share our deep emotion towards to with others whom we trust, or is it okay to not share our thoughts towards anyone? Because in this world our lots of we have a lots of friends, those are very special also, whom we try to share our thoughts, our feeling, what we feel, but they are sometimes break our hearts. They are sometimes like uh, miss what's the word, I didn't can remember. They are sometimes misguide our emotional thoughts. That's why is it okay to share or is it not okay to share? Like personally like I didn't know uh, like uh, when we share someone our emotion and some other private talk, like some problems, but they are shared to others. That's the reason we didn't share is good, I think. But I think is it's good to not share to other. We just keep inner and let's see what happened. And personally, I don't know what you are all doing in this situation. If you want to say our to express our thoughts and whatever uh, uh, whatever happen in our whatever happen and whatever we think in our mind, and we thought ki okay, I have to say someone to to feel good ourselves, then what you do all, please tell me also, because I didn't know about this topic. So please, okay, bye bye.